In this video, I will show you how you can update your AirPods 4. Now to do this, first of all, just place both of your AirPods in the charging case, then close the lid. Now just plug in your AirPods into charge. Now if your AirPods charge is low, just plug in your AirPod into charge for a couple of minutes until the charge reaches to 30%. And after that, just keep your AirPods plugged into charge. Now while your AirPods are charging, just open the lid of your AirPods case and pair your AirPods with your iPhone. And after you pair your AirPods with your iPhone, now on your iPhone, just open the control center, then go to the connection section in the control center. And from here, just make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. Now from here, just leave your AirPods connected with your iPhone and plugged into charge for 20 minutes to an hour. And during that time, your AirPods will automatically update its firmware if there is an update available. And this is how you can update your AirPods 4. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.